Today we're building our most popular customizable gaming PC, and I really think it might be one of the best looking rigs out there. This customer has designed his version with the Trix Panorama for a wraparound LCD screen inside the PC to pair with the touchscreen on this Heightwise 70 case. The CPU selected was the Ryzen 7 9800X3D, the best gaming CPU on the planet. With the cooler locked down, we can unbox the RTX 5080, the Asus Astral Edition. It will allow this PC to easily run through 4K games at max settings, and this PC will stay cool even at full stress, thanks to the high-end 360mm cooler for the CPU, a unique 4-fan cooler design on this GPU, and 7 Lian Li fans installed.